Think you're nailing your squats? Be honest. Have you ever felt that burning pressure in your knees? Or that awkward pinch in your lower back after leg day? You might think you're building strength. But what if you're actually breaking your form and your body one rep at a time? The squat is one of the oldest, most powerful movements our bodies were designed to do. But here's the catch. Most people have been doing it wrong for years. The result? Lost strength, constant pain, and wasted effort. Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only fix your squat form, you'll understand how every inch of movement translates to power, balance, and growth. You'll walk away knowing exactly how to make every rep count. Squats are often called the king of all exercises, and for good reason. They don't just build muscle, they build a foundation. Every jump, every sprint, every lift, all of it starts with your legs. When you squat correctly, you're not only shaping your body, you're training your nervous system to move efficiently. You're improving mobility, flexibility, and raw functional power. But here's what most people forget. A squat isn't just a leg exercise. It's a symphony of movement involving your hips, knees, spine, and core, and all working together. Do it right and your strength multiplies. Do it wrong, and all that force transfers straight to your joints, slowly wearing them down. Mistake number 1, lifting your heels off the floor. The moment those heels rise, your body loses its base. You shift pressure to your knees instead of your powerful glutes and hamstrings. Imagine building a house on sand. That's what squatting on your toes does to your body. Keep those heels glued down. Feel the ground, that's your anchor. Mistake number 2, knees collapsing inward. This happens to thousands of people every day, especially when they add weight too soon. When your knees cave in, your alignment breaks and your power leaks out. The fix? Think about pushing your knees slightly out, keeping them in line with your toes. Mistake number 3, rounding your back. That's one of the biggest killers of good form. When your spine curls, your discs take unnecessary stress, and your posture collapses. Keep your chest proud, your shoulders pulled slightly back, and your spine neutral. Imagine a broomstick running from your head to your tailbone. And mistake number 4, bending your knees before your hips. That tiny timing error throws off your balance and pulls your knees forward. The fix? Initiate from the hips. Push them back as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Now let's rebuild your squat, step by step or from the ground up. Start by planting your feet about shoulder width apart. Turn your toes slightly outward, around 15 degrees. Not too much, not too straight. Just natural now. Feel the ground beneath you. Grip it like you're trying to twist the floor apart. That tension wakes up the muscles in your legs and hips. Next, brace your core. Imagine someone's about to punch you and you'd instantly tighten your stomach without sucking it in. That's the tension you need. Now push your hips back, not your knees forward. Your hips are your engine. Let them lead. As you lower yourself, keep your chest proud and your spine neutral. Your thighs should reach parallel to the ground, heels still flat. From the bottom, press through your heels, not your toes, and drive your hips forward as you rise. Feel your glutes squeeze at the top. That's the power point. Not sure how deep to go? Here's a simple tip. Use a box or a chair behind you. Lower until you just touch it lightly, then rise again. That keeps your depth consistent. Slow it down. Take 3 seconds on the way down, 1 second on the way up. That's called tempo training. And it builds mind-muscle connection like nothing else. You can even pause for a full second at the bottom. That pause kills momentum and forces your muscles to do the real work. Don't rush your squats. Every inch of that descent should feel intentional. The slower you go, the stronger you become. All right, for my advanced lifters out there, here's how to take your squats to the next level. It starts with your breathing. Inhale deeply as you descend. That breath creates intra-abdominal pressure. Hold it. Then exhale slowly as you rise. That pressure stabilizes your spine. Your core is like the foundation of a skyscraper. If it's weak, everything above it crumbles. But when it's strong, you can stack power endlessly. Keep your chest up, your chin tucked, and your eyes forward. Don't look down, that kills posture. Don't look up, and that strains your neck. Neutral head, strong stance. Let's recap. Feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out, heels planted, hips back first, knees in line with toes, spine neutral, core tight, controlled breathing. And if you ever notice your knees caving in, your heels rising, or your back rounding, pause, reset. Fix it before it becomes a habit. Now here's your challenge. Do 10 flawless squats right now. Not fast, not sloppy. Feel the ground, brace your core, control your movement, and rise with purpose. This isn't just exercise, this is mastery of movement. The squat is more than a lift. It's a foundation for strength, balance, and confidence. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll feel the difference, not just in your body, but in the way you move through life. See you in the next session, champ.